Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to give you the best vector editor tips. So this first tip is shading. So I'm going to get a circle with a black outline and a red fill. So let's get the outline to be black and just make it nice and thick. So to shade, we need 2 circles or more. And your bigger circle has to be a darker version of the color you want your shape to be. The smaller circle can go on the top corner of that bigger circle with no outline. And just make it a little bigger. And it looks like perfect shading. And if you want, you can even add another circle which can be even brighter. So that's one strategy. The next strategy is the Reshape Tool. So if I want to get myself a triangle, as you see, it's not in the shapes menu on the side. So I can get a rectangle, use the Reshape tool, and drag the corners into the middle. And then I have a triangle. If in the lines, the next strategy is lines. So you can get a line to make whatever custom shape you want. So for example, I want to make a octagon. So I will do a line over here, a line coming from that one, even one coming from there, another one. Although the one thing about lines is it can never be too even. It can never be too even. Yeah. Now you can fill it however you want, and you can do the same with the outline. So I'm going to make the outline red. Now, this one is other sprites. So if I add a new sprite, we can use the strategies that are already used in the other sprites to put into our sprites. So for example, I want to get a rounded rectangle, I can use the button. And then I can go into the costumes area, copy the shape, and paste it into our other sprite. And then you've got a perfect rounded rectangle or square ready to use. You can fill it however you want, and you can outline it however you want. Now, to the last strategy, the flip tool. If I want to make a rounded rectangle, I can just make a circle or a square, make one of its corners rounded, turn it around a little, copy and paste it, and then flip it to go on the other side, and maybe add another little rectangle just to go in the middle. You can remove the outline of this shape and the result will look like a rounded rectangle. So let's just remove the outline, and look at that. If you want to make all sides rounded, copy and paste the top half and flip it vertical, and just line it up. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked this video, please like, and if you want to watch more, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.